In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Base44. By the end, you'll have a working form added to your project, connected to a database, styled to match your brand, and ready to publish. Start by opening your project on base44.com. From your dashboard, select the project you want to edit. Once you're in, navigate to the page or section where you want the form to appear so the AI has context for placement. Having the right page open helps Base44 understand exactly where to build. Now look for the chat box in the interface. This is where the magic happens. Type a clear, direct request, like add a contact form with name and email fields. Be as specific as you can. If you want certain fields to be required, include that in your message. You can also mention field order or labels. The clearer your prompt, the closer the first result will be to what you imagined, saving you time on tweaks later. Next, tell Base44 what should happen with the submissions. Append an instruction such as, and save responses to a signups database. This connects the form to a data store so entries are captured automatically. If you prefer a different name, say so in your prompt. You can also mention which fields should map to which columns to keep things organized. It's a good habit to use consistent names like name, email, and created at, so you can filter and sort entries easily later on. With the form in place and connected, refine the look by asking for style changes right in the chat. For example, say make the button green or use rounded corners and add more spacing between fields. You can reference your brand colors, fonts, and alignment preferences. If the design still isn't quite right, keep iterating with short targeted prompts like center the form, increase label size, or use a lighter border. Aim for good contrast and clear labels to keep the form accessible and easy to read. When you're happy with the layout and behavior, click Publish to go live. Publishing updates your site so visitors can see and use the form immediately. After publishing, it's a smart practice to open the live page, submit a quick test entry, and confirm that the data appears in the signups database as expected. Also, check the form on mobile to ensure spacing and buttons feel comfortable on smaller screens. That's it. You opened your project, described the form, connected it to a database, refined the design with quick prompts, and published your changes. Enjoy building with Base44.